Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. So in this video, we are going to be discussing the Damiani Volatmeter Indicator for MT4 and MT. Okay, no, it's just going to be for MT4. Okay, so the link to download this indicator is in the description. All right, you can just proceed to the description, you download the indicator and head over to your indicators folder. You paste the extracted indicator file in your indicators folder, all right? And then you head back to your navigator and just refresh. Okay, so the Damiani Volatmeter Indicator for MT4 should be somewhere. Here we go, drag and drop. Now ensure that the allowed daily input box is checked, and then for your input, you can see we have the viscosity value, sedimentation, threshold level, the lag suppressor, true or false. No, you can modify the settings according to your taste. All right, and now this is how the indicator looks like. It is designed to distinguish between trending and choppy market conditions. Now, one thing that you're going to notice is that when the trend is strong, when there is an increase in momentum in the market, you will notice an increase in this. Within this indicator window, you will notice the line spiking to the upside, right? But then when you have a consolidation market, you're just going to notice the lines entangling, right? Entangling each other. You'll notice the green line and the ash colored line are going to go far apart from each other. There's going to be a widening when there is an increase in momentum. Let's just go back a bit and compare again. You will notice when there is an increase in momentum, be it to the downside or to the upside, you will notice a widening between the green line and the ash line, right? But then when there is lower momentum or lower volatility, you will notice the lines beginning to entangle, right? Beginning to entangle, showing that the market is choppy, right? So in a choppy market, you will notice the entangling, and then when the market is trending, proper trending, you will notice that the indicator would also be trending, right? Mostly the green line, actually, to be precise, will be above the ash colored line. You can see both in the bearish scenario, the green line is above the ash line, and even in the bullish scenario, the green line is still above the ash line. Okay, so if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now, and don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content being shared on this channel. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.